Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, this is our 10th part of GRE vocabulary high frequency word. So before going to the content of this video, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of upcoming videos. So now we'll move on to the content of this video. Our first word is dubious. Dubious is an adjective and the meaning of this word is suspicious about something, and that means you are doubtful about something. And move on to the synonyms. The synonyms are doubtful, questionable, uncertain, unconvinced. So these are the synonyms. Move on to the example. Researchers are more dubious about the first paper, and that means researchers are feeling more doubtful about the first paper that they are going to be published. And see the picture how a man feeling dubious about something. So move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is critics are dubious about the accuracy of its mortality figure. That means the critics are doubtful about the accuracy of the number of death. Mortality figure means the number of death. So move on to the second sentence. Some were arrested for dubious reason, he said. He said that some people were arrested because of the doubtful reasons or questionable reason. That's raise some questions. So move on to the third sentence. The result of the study are dubious for two reasons. And that means the result of the study are uncertain or doubtful for the two reasons. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So I give a 10-second pause for this video, then we'll continue for the next word. So now move on to the second word. Our second word is munificent. Munificent is an adjective and the meaning of this word is very kind and generous. That means willing to give and share unstintingly. Unstintingly means without thinking. The synonyms are lavish, open-handed, bountiful, magnanimous. These all means the kind and generous. So move on to the example. John is a munificent person. That means John is a very kind and generous person. See the picture. How a man is saying that I am being generous and I am giving you this star. And next person saying thank you. That's so that that man is very generous and kind. So now move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is Sudbury was not only a munificent builder, but a man of vigorous mind, wise before his time. That means he is not only a kind of generous builder, but he is also a man of full energetic mind. Healthy and energetic mind. Vigorous means healthy and energetic. So move on to the second sentence. Mr. Thompson was even less munificent in 2011 when he reported no donation to charity. That means the Mr. Thompson was less kind and generous in 2011 when he reported no donation to the charity. So move on to the third sentence. We said at home when we read your letter that it was like the opening of your whole munificent and bare heart. That means at home when we read your letter, it was like the opening of the kind and generous and very helpful heart. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So now move on to the next word. So our next word is ambiguous. Ambiguous is an adjective and the meaning of this word is having more than one possible meaning. That means something that having more than one meaning. So move on to the synonyms. The synonyms are unclear, uncertain, equivocal. So antonyms are unambiguous, clear, unequivocal. So move on to the example. Example is that message is also ambiguous. He says that the message is having more than one meaning, or it is unclear. So see the picture, that in picture a chicken is shown, and below that thing is written that chicken is ready to eat. This sentence having a two meaning. That means the chicken is ready to eat something, or someone is ready to eat chicken. So this is called an ambiguous. So move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is the agent of a list of ambiguous and prying questions, and that means agent take the list of ambiguous, that means that give more than one meaning questions, and prying question. Prying question means the question which is related to someone's private affairs. So the prying questions. So move on to the second sentence. The second sentence is the evidence on whether it actually helped is pretty ambiguous. He said that the evidence on whether it actually helped is unclear or uncertain. So move on to the third sentence. Third sentence is while the ending is deliberately ambiguous, the film offer a message of hope. That means the ending is unclear, but the film offer a message of hope. So move on to the five more sentences. So our next word is ambivalent. Ambivalent is also adjective, and the meaning of this word is uncertain or unable to decide about what course to follow. That means you having a two opinion. So previously we studied the ambiguous. Ambiguous means a sentence or something giving a two meaning. That is an ambiguous. And ambivalent is you having a two option in your mind. That means you are in a confusing state. So that is the difference between these two words. So careful about this. So move on to the synonyms. Synonyms are unsure, uncertain, uncertain. These are the synonyms. And move on to the example. He was ambivalent about having children. That means he was confusing about having children or having more than one opinion. So see the picture, how a child baby is ambivalent about two choice, that which dress to select. So that means the ambivalent. So move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is if you listen to the president, he sound ambivalent. Finberg says that if you listen to the president, he sound as uncertain, unable to decide. So move on to the second sentence. Some public health experts are ambivalent on that approach. That means some public health experts are unable to decide or confusing on that approach. So move on to the third sentence. Our third sentence is some employees on the call were more ambivalent. That means some employees are on the state of unable to decide for what to select. So move on to the five more sentences under this word. So these are the five more sentences. So now move on to the last word of this video. So our last word for this video is adverse. It is also an adjective, and the meaning of this word is preventing success or development. That means it prevents something which is achievable, and other meaning is harmful. Adverse is also harmful, unfavorable, unsuitable for someone. So move on to the synonyms. Synonyms are contrary and untoward and inauspicious. So move on to the example. Example is the taxes are having an adverse effect on production. That means the taxes give an unfavorable effect on the production, that prevent the production. So see the picture, no drugs picture. That means the drugs are not suitable for the person to use, or the drugs having harmful effect for the body of human beings. So move on to the sentences. First sentence is the Asian women and Hispanic women also experience higher rate of adverse pregnancy outcome than white women. And that means the Asian women and Hispanic women also experiencing the high rate of harmful pregnancy outcome than the white women. So move on to the second sentence. The Lancet study is not the first to document the drug's adverse effect. That means the Lancet study is not the first one which tell that the drugs having an harmful effect. So move on to the third sentence. Our third sentence is the vaccine created adverse reaction including fever and fatigue. That means the vaccine created unfavorable reaction or harmful reaction, which including the fever also and also fatigue. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So guys, this was only for today, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of videos. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video to your friend circles so that they can use this video and utilize. So till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel, like and share this video, and please support us. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye, take care.